In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom website using Webflow. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in web design, Webflow offers a user-friendly platform for creating responsive websites without needing to write a single line of code. Let's get started with setting up an account and creating your unique site. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Webflow homepage. You'll notice right off the bat that Webflow is a powerful visual website builder that allows you to create and customize your site with ease. To begin using Webflow, locate the button that says it's free and click on it. This button can usually be found prominently displayed on the homepage. It's your gateway to setting up an account and starting your web design journey. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to create an account. You have two options here. You can sign up using your email address and a password, or if you prefer convenience, you can sign up using your Google account. Opting for the Google sign-in allows for a quick registration process and keeps you from having to remember yet another password. However, if you're using an email sign-up, ensure that your password is both strong and unique to protect your account. Now that you've registered, it's time to access Deep's Dapper site on Webflow. This is where you'll be carrying out your design work. Once on this page, you'll want to customize the background. To do that, click on the background area. A set of options will appear, allowing you to change its color. Choose a hue that matches the theme you're aiming for. It's always best to select colors that resonate with your overall design to maintain cohesion throughout your site. Next, you'll want to adjust the imagery. Click on the image you'd like to modify and start adjusting the settings to your preference. These settings might include the image's size, position, or even its opacity. Once satisfied with your adjustments, click on Choose Image to add or replace visuals. When selecting images, try to use high quality, relevant graphics that enhance your site's message. After you've completed your design adjustments, the next step is to publish your site. Look for the Publish button and give it a click. This brings you to a prompt where you can confirm your choice to publish to selected domains. By doing so, you ensure that your changes go live and are visible to your audience. Finally, click on Close to complete the process, and there you have it. You've just created and published a custom website using Webflow. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.